On a lighter note, these are hot chocolate soufflés flavoured with rum.
So there we are, a selection of great English puddings. And if you think they're a bit self-indulgent, well, maybe they are, but we're not going to eat a pudding every day or even every week, but every now and then it's nice to have a nice pudding.
How to master mascarpone, amongst other things. Part of our weekend baking lineup from Rachel Allen and Martha Stewart. Sunday morning from 11 here on Good Food. Next though, low-fat lessons in more from Delia's How to Cook.